What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great week. Sarah has decided to challenge me to go 24 hours without using any technology. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. A couple of rules with this challenge. Rule number one, I cannot use any of my Apple devices. That includes my iPhone, my iPad Pro, my AirPods, my Apple Watch. I can also not use our TV or our Nintendo Switch. Rule number two, I cannot control any of my smart home devices with my Echo Dots. This includes my lights, my thermostat, or even my smart plugs. And the final rule, rule number three, I can only record with my Nikon camera and our GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm going to be giving my phone to Sarah so she can hold on to it in case anything comes up. This challenge will be starting at 10:32 a.m. on Saturday, February 29th, and will be done with on Sunday, March 1st at 10:32 a.m. This is also going to be a day in the life of us vlog, so enjoy. I have to go hop in the shower right now, and we have smart bulbs in our bathroom, and I tell my dots to turn on the lights and to play music while I'm in the shower, but since I can't use my dots, I guess I'm going to be showering in the dark and in silence. All I want for Christmas is you. It is 11:27 a.m. I've got around 23 hours to go. I'm having some lunch right now. Having tostadas with chicken salad on top and some hot sauce and some animal crackers because yes, I am 5 years old. So whenever I'm eating a meal, lunch, snack, whatever it is, I am always on my phone. On Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, whatever it is, I'm always on something so I can entertain myself while I'm trying to eat. And since I cannot use my phone, since I'm going without technology, this is very difficult for me. We are cleaning up our house and we got a lot of junk in our trunk. So now we're gonna go to Goodwill and drop it all off. Okay, we got a bunch more. It's about 1:42 p.m. I got about 21 hours to go. It's about that afternoon slump time, so I got a quick pick-me-up. Some Coke Vanilla. We're doing some upgrades to our house, and we are at Lowe's. How's it going? I need to get this color right here. Get two of those.
Looks like someone's gonna be busy. Now
Yep.
that's gonna be you.
Not me. No way. Our next stop is we are at Aldi, about to buy some groceries. So if you've never been to Aldi, you need a quarter to get a cart. You get your quarter back, but what'd you just figure out, Sarah?
I don't have a quarter.
Oh, this has never happened before, so we're gonna go and see what we can find. So I had to go talk to the tax register lady to get a quarter, and now we can get our carts. So we're getting some chicken salad, and I need 16 cans, so here we go. That one has a dent, so I'm gonna get that one. There's 2, 8. And typically, I will eat chicken salad a lot for lunch for every single day of the week. And my wife started to eat chicken salad for lunch too, so now I get her some. And now we got 16 cans. Look at my wife using her fancy iPad Pro to knock off our grocery list. So I really like these protein bars right here. So I'm gonna get 5 of these. And I really like also these. So I'm gonna get 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, and that is 5. And going in the cart. Yeah, let's get that. Coconut, pecan, cookie dough. I never had it before, but I want to see how it tastes. You may be asking yourself, where's the beef? Well, it's right here. You need a bunch of eggs, and the key with eggs, you gotta check the eggs, make sure they're not cracked. That one actually looks pretty good. Check this one. That looks perfect, and that looks perfect. Our cart is really filling up. Thank you, you too.
So, the first adventure of Cooking with Bradley's adventure, we are gonna make beef enchiladas.
It's upside down.
Oops. And first round of Cooking with Bradley's Adventures of War is beef enchiladas. We're trying this new thing. This is actually our first packet from Home Chef. We tried one other meal. It was like a chicken barbecue salad. So now we're gonna try barbecue beef enchiladas. So here we go. Let's go to the fridge and see what's in here. So what's cool about Home Chefs is it comes in these little bags. We want this one. Barbecue beef enchiladas. Open this. First off, if you make sure you have everything. On here it has a list of things that should be in your box. First off is a lime, a jalapeno, cilantro, 6 small flour tortillas, 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning, 1 shallot, corn, and last but certainly not least is cheese. And we're definitely going to be using more cheese than this. I can already tell you that right now. Let's get started. So first things first is it says that if using fresh produce, which we are, thoroughly rinse and pat dry.
That's thorough, and that's thoroughly. Take out paper towels.
Next it says to preheat the oven.
425? Mm-hmm. Perfect.
So first, we're gonna make the filling. So we're gonna peel and mince the shallot.
First of all, I gotta get you a good knife, and then you gotta sharpen every so often, Jay. So you gotta go Gordon Ramsay on this thing, and go zoop, zoop. Smells like onions. Is onion a shallot? Is shallot an onion? I don't know. Yeah, so the Home Chef sends you their meat
in different packages. So here's the chicken, and then there's the meat. So here's your ground beef. Beef chuck.
Somebody asked, where's the beef? It's right here, right on the frying pan. Straight from a chuck, a cow. Oh, them onions are getting me. Woo! Them onions make me cry like a little baby. This meal is not sponsored by Home Chef, but Home Chef, if you are watching this, if you want to sponsor Bradley Adventures and More and send us some meals, we'd be happy to do some food reviews, some tutorials. So just we've added in about half the shallots, and just listen to that baby sizzle. So right now we are just filling the enchiladas with the ground chuck beef and half of the shallots.
And like I said, we like cheese, so we're gonna get more cheese. And that's the thing that I love with this Home Chef meal, because you really can just make it your own.
And while we're making food, our dog Theodore always wants some cheese, don't you, bud? So we have to give him a little bite right there.
Our next step is to chomp up the cilantro. Next, we are gonna half the lime and get that lime juice out. Then we have to stem the jalapeno. This is not exactly half, but it's the best I got. Then we're gonna seed it.
Now just listen to that baby sizzle. Here's what the picture looks like. Da 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 da. Hey, that's actually not half bad. Alright, let's see how this thing tastes. This is actually really, really good. Mm-hmm. The barbecue sauce tastes really good. The corn gives it a nice extra crunch. Some of the burnt cheese on the side, which I love burnt cheese, gives also a nice extra crunch too. And the beef is nice and tender. However, it could use some seasoning. And after we made this, we realized we forgot to add the taco seasoning. What are your thoughts on this?
Amazing. It's really good.
Overall,
I love the corn salsa too. It's a nice touch.
taking into account the taco season, I feel like this would really have stepped it up if we had remember this. But overall, 10 out of 10 for sure. What do you think?
Definitely. I will say though, if you don't like jalapeno peppers, it does say on there to like put it as taste. We're okay with a little hot stuff and not like overbearing. My lips are on fire right now, so just be aware. It could just be the pepper that we got, but it is like super strong. I'd definitely say 10 out of 10, it's amazing.
That was Bradley Adventures and More barbecue beef enchiladas with corn salsa review, sponsored by Home Chef. Just kidding, not sponsored, but again, Home Chef, if you are watching this review, All right, it is, what time is it? It's 5:54. I've got about 17 hours to go. I don't really have an urge to get on my phone right now, but I know that tonight and in the morning is when I really do want to get on my phone to like watch TikTok and YouTube. So tonight may be a challenge, but right now I'm good. And I'm actually gonna be playing Kings in the Corner with my beautiful bride. It is 9 p.m. and we are about to go to bed. The last couple of hours I have been just re-watching some footage that we took during the day, and I'm getting very bored, but now I'm gonna head to bed. That'll pass the time a little bit. I've got right around 12 almost hours, so I will catch y'all in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is about 7 a.m. on Sunday, March 1st, and I've got about 3.5 hours to go. Last night was really hard, and now we're gonna make some coffee. Here's my wife's cup. She likes some of that creamer, so I got her some white chocolate mocha creamer, so we're gonna splash that in there. And I like half and half in mine, so I'm gonna splash that in mine as well. The time is now about 9:01 a.m. and we are on our way to church. I've got about an hour and a half to go. I will be in church when this challenge ends, so I'll get back to you guys whenever I'm done with church. After that, I can finally get my phone. I'm back from church. It is 10:56 a.m. I went 24 hours and like 25 minutes without technology, and now I'm back home and it's time to go get my phone.
Hey guys, so what Adam doesn't know is that I'm going to prank him because I drained the battery on his phone. So whenever he goes to pick up his phone, it's gonna be completely dead. You're welcome, babe.
We are home and I'm inside the house, and it's time to get my iPhone 11 Pro Max. What? Sarah, it won't turn on.
Oops.
What'd you do to it? I'll leave here for you one day. What'd you do to her? Is it dead?
Charge it.
You did? You left it die?
Yep.
Oh no! Charge it. All right, we've got my phone charged to at least somewhat percentage to where I can use it right now, and it's time to do what I've been dying to do the last couple of hours. Watch some TikTok.
Not enough coffee. That's enough.
Alright guys, I have survived the 24-hour no tech challenge. If there's another challenge you'd like me to do, drop it down in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and have a great week. See you soon. Bye.
See you soon.